Draw.io or Diagrams.net complete tutorial for beginners step by step. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at Draw.io features, how to use it, examples of different whiteboards and schemas, and also we'll take a look at its pricing. It's really important to know. So basically, there are a lot of options of how can we use this platform to create different diagrams to make our work more visualized or productive. So as you can see, here we are on draw.io. Basically, Draw.io and Diagrams.net, it's like the same thing. I don't know why, but maybe they have rebranded or something like this. So basically, let's take a look at the examples of what can we create here. As you can see, we can use it for our software, network, engineering. We can create different schemas like UML, URD, cloud, network, or engineering. So we can also use it for our business. So we can create different flowcharts, schemas like these, business things, different mind maps, charts. So it's just for inspiration, so you can see how can you and what can you do, how can you interact with Draw.io. Also, we can create like floor plans, different tables, different infographics, wireframes, and then so sometimes it could be really helpful to see some structures and then just simply add it to visualize it to your things. And let's start from the workspace. So if you click on try for free, so yeah, as you know, we can try to use it completely without paying. We'll come to this page where we have our workspace. As you can see, I have a couple of elements here, but let's create a new file. So in order to do that, just simply click on file in the left top and then click on new. So here we have a couple of options of how can we create like something with a template. We have class diagram, flowchart. There are a lot of options we can use. We can go to business, charts, and I honestly recommend you to try to explain all the things, because in this case you don't have to create something. You can just simply use the template and then just add your information inside. Maybe you'll have to add some additional elements, but it will be much easier than create it from scratch. We have a lot of schemas, different tables, then wireframes, layouts. So basically, let's try to create maybe this mind map. So I'm going to click on it. Let's click on create. It may take a little time, and here we are. So what can we do? How can we interact with our workspace here? Firstly, in the top we have this header where we can add our name. So if you click on it, we can now add the file name, change the type. So they have like 4 types: Draw.io, PNG, SVG, and HTML. And I recommend you to start with Draw.io. In this case, you'll be able to move this project from your computer to someone else, and then you can interact with it in the future. So basically, start with this and add your file name. Let's add it, for example, file1. Let's click on rename, and as you can see, it was automatically changed. Also, we have this option with like file, edit, view, arrange, extras, and help. So we have a couple of options. We can create a new file, open file, save, save as, share, rename, make a copy, import, export, embed, publish to make it visible for all people, add some new libraries, open libraries from, manage properties, manage page setup, and even print if it's necessary. So on edit, we have like options to undo or redo some actions, cut, copy, copy as image, paste, find, replace, edit data, and so on. As you can see, nothing that hard, just as a simple editor like Word, Google Sheets, or something like this. All the interface is quite simple. Also, we have the option to manage our view, add or remove some elements like short shapes, scratched pad shapes. It depends on you. So if you don't have some elements, you can try to open this page and then just simply add or remove something you'd like or you don't want to see. On the arrange, the same thing. Extras and help, I don't think that you will use them. So in order to share your file, to make it visible for other people, just simply click on share and then just add someone you want to add. On the next line, we have this option where we can change the shapes, format, rules. We can zoom in or zoom out. So let's zoom out like this. So now we can see all the project. Also, we can use these parts here. We can undo or redo something. So as you can see, I've deleted this element. So now I can undo and make it visible again. I can select and delete something, do some other things, like change the size, manage the some other things, change the background and do some other stuff. I don't think that it's that useful because I'll show you how to manage it in a different way. We can add some arrows, some lines. We can add the different figures, rectangle, ellipse, rhombus, and so on. And the same thing with table. But here in the left side, we have a couple of templates we can use. So basically we have like a general where we can add different figures, elements, call out, actors, the other things. Also we have like table templates we can use. Just simply open every single folder and try to find the necessary one as for you if you want to add something, or you can just simply create it from scratch. The other thing is that we can manage every single element. We can click on it on our workspace, and then in the right side we have a couple of options. We can manage style, text, manage arrangement. So we can change the background, change it in some other ways like these. We can change the lines, borders, change the opacity, properties. On the text folder, we can manage our text. So we can click on it firstly, change, for example. Then we can manage style, manage a font, make it bold, italic, and some other things. And then just simply on the next page where we have a range option, we can change some other stuff, increase the size, increase the basically position, and so on. So when everything is done, you can just simply click on file once more, save it as this type, and where, for example, to Google Drive. And now let's take a look at the prices. So on the pricing page, we have two options like cloud and data center. So it's like for 20 users, it's $20 per month. For 2,000 users, like $532. And data center, $6,000 per year for 500 users, and $10,000 per year for 2,000 users. So basically we can try to use it without paying. So as you can see, we can try to use it for free. And if you have like only 10 users, we can use it completely for free. If we have like 20 users, for example, it will be like $34 per month, like $1.7 per user. So you can find the prices right up here. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.